Clickbait. Wait, what? Clickbait? Oh. So, come on. I'm here with my little brother. Say hi. Hi. So today we're... Today we're gonna choose, like, some people, well, we're not trolling, we're gonna, oh my god, what is this? I'm froze. Oh, Jesus! What the heck? So we're gonna be exposing...
Gold diggers?
Yeah. Oh, we've talked!
Oh my god, somebody's hacking!
Who? How?
Oh my god, this guy's hacking!
It's not a guy. It's just an odor. 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 Yes. 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 Yes, person. Yes, person. Yes.
Then? Oh my god! Oh my god, where am I going? I'm stuck in the air.
Thanks for the free,
Hey, wait for me! Bam! Hey, I'm stuck on the floor now.
Mr. Potato Head!
How do you call this person a Mr. Potato Head?
Yes.
Reset.
Why?
Why is this guy hacking?
Oh my gosh, let's go get some gold diggies. Let's go get some gold diggies.
Gold diggies!
Wait, we had to get some gold diggies in some other account we don't have and don't know. So we're gonna make an account. Let's make it, yeah.
I'm gonna make a girl person.
Okay, you're gonna make a girl.
I don't know my account.
Then I'm gonna be
I'm gonna be a noob.
I'm gonna be
I really want to trade. How you trade?
You need
Oh, BC.
Yeah, Builders Club.
And why are noobs trade?
How do I log out? Oh my god.
How do noobs trade?
You can't. Oops, I'm stupid. There was a logout button I did not even click. Let's call her Amy.
Your password?
Sweet girl. Amy, sweet girl. 1, 2, 3. Birthday must be set. Okay. Let's put a
Look at this glitch.
She's gonna be super beautiful.
If you got the gravity coil, go to character, press the sit button, and you just fly through the air. Whee! Now I'm falling down.
I named it XX Amy Sweetie XX. So you're gonna have to friend me in this noob account.
I just landed on my skateboard.
I'm not gonna give out the password, so come on, let go. Kid Ravioli. Ah! Wait, Tommy. I have to do the password.
right there, and I'll put it in. Wild
I'm gonna be a girl.
With my gravity coil glitch. If you got the gravity
Wanna
coil,
know why I'm not going in my account?
why?
Because I don't want to be like people calling me odor. It's stupid.
Everybody. I'm going to save 200,000 LP so I could buy the Rainbow Rider. It's an ultra rare. I have to just get the Pompous Fine Cloud thing.
Okay, I decided to troll, like, expose orders and RoCitizens, cause, well, let's go. Let's buy something at Bailey's. Shut up, kitty. I love kitty, but he every time, that's my new cat, by the way. Katie is my new cat.
He's adorable.
Yeah, very adorable. But he could be annoying sometimes. I'm not buying that, by the way. No, I like this. And then
there's like barriers in the game.
oh, look at these little thingies.
This could go farther.
Mwah.
I'm a double jump.
Amy, sweetie. Let's go get some summer clothes. What's it called? Levete. Sounds like someone who is very angry but lives in Mexico. Levete, chico. Levete. Okay, let's get the teal bikini. It would be better if it was black. So let's get a new haircut. Kind of liking right here. Braided. Okay, so let's do this. Let's customize my character right here. Braided. She's gonna have like this color. She's gonna, yeah, I like that color. And she has no pants, just like, oh yeah, we have to remove this. There we go, beautiful. Oh, here, I'm coming. Wait, let's get some cute glasses. Let's get the black ones. Love black colors. No, I think I will keep mine. I don't want to buy a punk. I don't even know what that is. Where is my glasses? My God. Whoa. Yeah. Let's remove that. Okay. Ooh. Well, let's buy something cute. Whoa. Time to work. Wow. Shout out to Ace Pawn Sky Pro because he bought everyone 1K. Thank you so much. I'm gonna be very thankful. I was like, thank you. But I'm gonna be like, thank you so much. Okay, now we got the dress. Oh my gosh, shout out to him again. I love him now. If it's a girl, then I love her too. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Stop it. That's like very nice. I'm crying actually. I'm crying. Wow. He's the best now. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. He's like buying everyone this. I can't believe it. Oh my God, stop it. Oh my God, stop. Oh my goodness, no. I'm like freaking crying. He's very nice. She's very nice. I don't know. You know what? This is like very nice. And no one ever did this. No one. I did this, but yeah. Oh my goodness. Stop it! I think you're so good. I think that you're so good. Got me like, No. Yep. I'm like very sick. I'm very sick of crying. Ugh! Oh my goodness! He needs to chill with the money now. Like, I already got 10,000. I'm claiming all of this.
I wanna play with you.
You did not friend me though. I think you're so good.
Wait, Danny, friend your new account to your old account?
My old account? What old account?
The one you're using.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Make that one friend the old account. So the old account has to friend the old account.
I have to find this guy, bro.
You're right here.
Yeah.
Hey, now I could join you.
I'm fat. I have fat legs.
I said hi to you. Look what I said in the chat. Not in that chat, in the private chat. Here, friend.
No. Oh, you joined me. You know this guy, he keeps like buying us. I'm crying. This is like a freaking miracle. You're so cute.
But that means I can't get money.
Wow, this noob just got like a lot of money.
What is this gonna load?
I think you could load your money, but oh my god.
I'm
Stop
super
it.
duper rich.
Stop it. Stop it, stop it, stop it.
Oh no. Let's go sneak and get some chocolate.
Nah.
Okay.
I will, but I'm claiming money. No?
Wait, can you see me jumping?
Let's see. Wow. No.
Wait for me.
Okay. He's so freaking nice! Oh my goodness! Come on.
Did you subscribe to me again, Kami?
Yeah. Yeah, I did.
Hey, thank you. My channel is Tusbian.